I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a personal hotspot.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So step one is to open your settings app. Then you're going to see personal hotspot, and let's go to that setting. And then here we're going to click allow others to join and toggle that on. Now, anytime you want to join your phone's hotspot, you will have to bring up this setting, at least most of the time. It's not always going to be showing when you are trying to connect with Wi-Fi on another device. Now here you're going to set your password to whatever you want. This, just as an example, has password as the password. You should probably put it as something that people won't guess. You're going to want to make sure Maximize Compatibility is enabled here so that as many devices as possible can have access to this and actually connect to it. And then at this point, you're going to go onto your other device, search for Wi-Fi routers, and it's going to be named whatever the name of your phone is. Click that, type in the password, and then you're now connected to your personal hotspot.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.